To achieve power independence, this is where you start. An innovative, flexible, and reliable home solar battery solution. The EcoFlow PowerOcean. Featuring a high-quality lithium ferrophosphate battery and an outstanding 15-year warranty, the EcoFlow PowerOcean brings enhanced safety and performance to power every home. Each battery has a high capacity of 5 kilowatt hours and can be effortlessly expanded up to 45 kilowatt hours when needed. Safety? Yes. It's the top priority. Each battery pack is parallel connected and has a BMS, fire prevention module, and auto heating module all integrated, and it's IP65 rated weatherproof. Each pack features an impressive 800-volt high voltage capable of independently starting a 3-phase home power system. Installation? It's a breeze. Get the PowerOcean battery up and running in minutes with its wiring-free, stack-up battery design, and the commissioning can be completed in just 3 steps. Power heavy-duty appliances in your house. Its ultra-thin, compact 180mm size is perfect for saving space. Keep track of all your energy data and savings with just a few taps on your device through the EcoFlow app or web portal. No need to worry about power outages. There's up to 10 kilowatts of backup power to support your house and an ultra-fast auto switch without any noticeable lag. This is where you start your journey towards a smart, sustainable, and power-independent lifestyle with EcoFlow PowerOcean Home Solar Battery Solution.